up, Bastian?
I just reconnected the Furbo after unplugging it to move some furniture. And you can hear it creaking while following Bastian.
Stranger. It's making funny sounds.
All right, you suspicious little snack cannon. State your business. Are you here to dispense treats or launch an uprising? Because if it's the latter, I'm going to need a cape and full command.
Good boy. Yeah? Good boy?
Clearly, Bastian approves of Westley taking the front line during this inspection.